Hi there! So this is the newly launched Beats Solo Buds. Yes, Beats has now officially launched in India. We got our hands on the newly launched earbuds, then we also have the Beats headphones and the so popular Beats Pill Bluetooth speaker. Reviews for all these devices will follow soon, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do it right now. Coming back to the earphones. For those who don't know, Beats are known for their punchy bass and impressive audio fidelity. The Solo Buds are one of the most compact earbuds I've seen in a while, and they're priced at just 6,900. But the first thing you need to know is that they don't have active noise cancellation. However, I'd still say they're a league of its own. I've been using these for over 2 weeks. Let me share all my experiences so you can decide if the Beats Solo Buds are worth your money or not. Let's begin. So technically we have already unboxed them, but just to give you a quick idea, this is the tiny earbuds box. We have the Arctic purple color. Inside the box is the Buds Solo itself, some paperwork that includes a QR code that you can scan to access the product guide, the much loved Beats stickers, free Apple Music trial coupon, and behind here is a small box that includes 3 extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. Sadly, there's no charging cable included in the box. My favorite part of these earbuds have to be the case. I haven't seen a TWS with such a compact and light case. Weighs just 22 grams, which is phenomenal. Fits just perfect in my jeans' smallest pocket. Isn't that cool? The build is all plastic, very soft to touch though. On the top is the Beats logo. On the back is the USB-C charging port. You can open the lid with one hand, though sometimes it's not as convenient because the case is so small. Inside we see the lovely earbuds. Let's remove them. Wow, don't they look amazing? So we get a Buds design. You can spot the Beats logo on the top. On the sides are the mics for phone calls. By the way, these come with physical press buttons instead of tap gestures. We'll talk about the experience further in the video. So the Beats Buds Solo don't come with a dedicated app, but just like the Apple AirPods, they come with Apple Fast Pairing. Bring it closer to your iPhone and pop open the lid. You'll see a pairing pop up. Click to pair. Voila, and you're done. The best part is it also comes with Google Fast Pairing support. You'll see a pairing pop up. Make sure you download the Beats app from the Play Store. Not something we see with devices that come with Apple Fast Pairing support. The Android Beats app also provides similar set of controls and settings as you get on an iPhone. Now once paired, you will notice that Beats devices have deep integration on iPhones just like an Apple accessory. Like you'll see the Buds Solo icon on the volume control. In fact, even in the control center, and my favorite Buds Solo icon on the dynamic island with the battery. Now this might not seem like a big deal, but it's these small things that makes the experience even better in long time. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. So as you can see, I'm already wearing both, and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. They're very light at 5.7 grams and you barely feel that you're wearing anything. We even shook our head. My god, that gave me a head rush. But you can see they didn't fall off either. Just make sure you're wearing the right size of ear tips because that will provide you a good grip and will also result in better sound quality. Let's talk about the sound. Well, Beats hasn't shared any info about the drivers, but I can tell you that they do an amazing job. The clarity is remarkable. Instrument separation and vocals are super crisp. The bass has a punch, but not the thump. I hope you know what I mean. It's like that soft pillow. You can hear the bass, but it's not that super deep that will give you a migraine. The audio is surprisingly well balanced, not bass heavy that you would expect from Beats earbuds. It's really well tuned. Also again, just to clarify, it has excellent bass which makes the sound rich and you can enjoy every kind of music. Now what about app and controls? Now when you go to the settings on your iPhone, you'll see the Beats Buds Solo option show up. Here you can see the image of the buds, you can see the battery percentage, you can rename the buds if you want to. You can change the option where you can press and hold to increase, decrease the volume, press once to answer the call, mute, unmute, end call, microphone option, accessibility, where you can turn on and off the case tone and even adjust the volume, then the model name, model number, serial number, and even the warranty details, just like you would see on any Apple device. What's even more amazing is Find My is now available to find your earbuds in case you misplace them. They just work like an AirTag would do. You can even play sounds to find them and even directions if you have left them somewhere other than your home or workplace. The app interface frankly doesn't have much. There's no equalizer control, no dual device connectivity, no sound profiles, no gaming mode, no spatial mode. It's very similar to the base Apple AirPods. Apple always believes in removing complexity. Did I just say Apple and not Beats? Well, yes, Beats is now owned by Apple, which is why there's deep integration. We also use these for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So here is the audio recorded from the mics of the Beats Solo Buds. This is how you're going to sound to the other person when you're on a call. We have used these indoors as well as outdoors, and it cancels out most of the ambient sound. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback. When it comes to the controls, press the button once to pause play the music, press and hold will adjust the volume up and down, double tap to change the tracks, and you can also answer, reject and mute calls. Simple and clean. There's no in-ear detection support either, so keep that in mind. Then we also wore this while gaming. Even though there's no dedicated gaming mode available, there was almost no noticeable delay or lag. I won't say buy these for gaming, but still they will work just fine for casual gamers. Then we also tested them while watching a movie. Again, it was super seamless. No delay at all, lip sync was on point. You can surely use these to watch your favorite movies and TV shows. Coming to the battery. So Beats doesn't share the exact size of the battery, but it will last you for about 18 hours in total with the case. It also comes with fast charging, so 5 minutes of charge will give the buds about 1 hour of music playback, which I think is pretty good. Alright, final thoughts. If you're looking for a comfortable pair of earbuds that sound premium with simple set of controls, simple interface, Apple fast pairing support, all in one compact and light form factor, then the Beats Solo Buds are just perfect. Yes, there is no ANC, and I wore them on the flight and still they sounded just as good. It's available in 4 colors. In fact, the red one also comes with a transparent design, which I think is really eye-catchy. These buds are already on sale. I'll share the links for all the color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.